Hi guys, welcome to TimHeisman.com. I am Tim Heisman, and today I am going to be playing for you one of my very favorite beats from a classic Led Zeppelin song called Fool in the Rain. You ready? Check it out. Here's the beat. All right. Now, I'm going to slow that down a little bit for you. Make it easier to follow. You guys ready? Here it is. Okay, there you go. The Led Zeppelin classic, Fool in the Rain. You can get your PDF file for it right there, download it, print it out, work on it at home. Thanks for coming to TimHeisman.com today. See you next time.